Shiba Inu Coin to $5 soon. Shib Price Prediction 2021. Shiba Inu Coin Prediction. Shiba Inu has been making waves in the cryptocurrency space recently and is the latest so-called meme coin to establish a firm following. As the cryptocurrency market continues to evolve with the emergence of the NFT trend and the growing dominance of DeFi, perhaps one of the more unexpected developments is the unlikely success of meme coins, particularly Shiba Inu and, of course, its predecessor, Dogecoin. These tokens may have started as something of a joke, intended to satirize the hysteria surrounding cryptocurrency investment, but their strong performance in 2021, particularly Doge's Reddit-fueled frenzy back in January-February, has established these tokens as genuinely viable projects. But whereas Dogecoin is something of a one-trick pony, the Shiba project is expanding to include its own decentralized exchange and additional tokens as part of a complete blockchain ecosystem. So what sort of trajectory is Shib likely to be on over the next few years? In the following Shiba price prediction for 2025 and 2030, we'll take a look at the token's potential as a mid to long-term investment and hear what other analysts are predicting for its future. So watch this video till the end, because today's video is going to be a bomb. Welcome to Shiba Inu Coin, your daily dose of Shiba. If you're interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Shib news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Shib news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 28th of August, shall we? Even though the past week hasn't been too great for many markets, there's no reason to despair. Even the Shiba Inu price has lost 15.3%, but it can rebound quickly when everything else falls into place. Moreover, some of the upcoming developments can either drive the price down further or spark a rebound in the coming weeks. After a very successful launch and a few price bounces since then, the Shiba Inu price momentum seems to have soured temporarily. Although the currency is still up by 11.3% in the past 30 days, it has lost 15.3% in the past week. Of course, one can argue all the markets go through a similar trend, yet some speculators had expected the Shib price to go in the opposite direction. Unfortunately, it doesn't appear as if the bearish pressure is over entirely. While the trading volume seems strong at just below $290 million, that may not be sufficient to stabilize the price in the coming days. Moreover, the weekend is right around the corner, which usually leads to even more market volatility. What that will do to the Shiba Inu value is impossible to predict, although caution remains advised. Now let's get back to the topic. Shib was the first token in what was to become a three-coin ecosystem, as outlined in the project's white paper. It was intended to emulate Dogecoin in appealing to a particular demographic and establish a strong community around it. After Shib, the Shiba project launched LEASH, the Doge Killer token, which was originally a rebase coin, pegged to Doge, which was intended to be used to incentivize those providing liquidity on Shiba's proprietary DEX, Shibaswap. Shibaswap is a quirky, if unremarkable, exchange that allows users to dig, provide liquidity, bury, stake, and swap tokens to gain WOOF Returns, which are effectively an income reward system. The full workings of the DEX require a little investigation, which is beyond the scope of this article, but it certainly is an interesting project. Shiba Inu is a relatively new token, having been created in August 2020, so it doesn't have much price history to look back on. One of the things that's worth noting about the token is intentionally low-priced and available in abundance to ensure it remains a viable payment method as opposed to simply a long-term investment. And when we say low, we mean low. The token started life trading as low as 939 hundred-billionths of a dollar, and hasn't made it as high as a whole unit of the US currency at any point in its existence. This actually represented an increase of 140,000 times in its price just 8 months earlier, and it is the increase that matters to investors after all. At the time of recording, Shib had dropped back down to 7,485 billionths of a dollar, but this is still thousands of a percentage points higher than its price at the same time last year. Let's talk about the importance of Reddit in Shib price. In early 2021, investors were made aware of just how powerful discussion forums like Reddit can be when it comes to driving up the price of an asset. First, there was the infamous GameStop saga, which saw a community of investors assemble in the infamous r/Wall Street subreddit and kicked off a buying frenzy that made headlines across the world. When it comes to cryptocurrency, the very same subreddit was the birthplace of a campaign to drive the price of Dogecoin up by some 800% in just 24 hours, ignited by a timely comment from Tesla mogul Elon Musk. Given that Shiba is pegging its hopes on building a Doge-esque community, those considering investing in the token might want to keep an eye on Reddit. At the time of recording, the official r/Shiba Army subreddit has 209,000 members. Reddit isn't just a place to monitor the size of the Shib community either. It is also a great place to find out about any unofficial cryptocurrency market news, as well as information on upcoming developments from Shiba Inu. Let's talk about the Shiba price predictions. The cryptocurrency industry and investors may still be a little uncertain as to the future of meme coins at this stage, but it certainly appears as though Shiba is taking steps to establish itself as a credible project. So what do analysts make of its chances? Digital Coin Price is expecting steady growth for Shiba price over the next few years. It is expected to have grown by around 50% by the end of 2021, reaching an average price of 123,102 10 billionths of a dollar. Growth is then expected to remain steady across 2022 and 2023 before Shiba gets to a high of 243,323 10 billionths of a dollar by the end of 2024. Elsewhere, Trading Beasts, often more reserved in its forecasts, is also predicting impressive growth for Shib by 2025. Whilst it does expect a downturn in 2022, Shiba is expected to be up by around 50% by summer 2023, trading at an average of 125 10 millionths of a dollar. The Shiba token is then expected to replicate this growth in 2024 and could have increased in value by 117% on today's price by the end of 2024. Finally, Wallet Investor also sees Shib making some solid gains in the next few years. According to its technical analysis, the Shiba token will hit 200 thousandths of a dollar by mid-2022, which represents growth of over 140% on today's price. By the end of 2024, Shib is expected to average around 53 millionths of a dollar. Based on Shiba projections from CoinLiker, the Shib coin price is expected to rise significantly in the coming years, trading at 22 millionths of a dollar in 2021, 32 millionths of a dollar in 2023, and 61 millionths of a dollar in December 2025. According to Shiba price prediction offered by Wallet Investor, Shiba is set to rise to 11 millionths of a dollar by the end of 2021, 23 millionths of a dollar in 2022, to soar all the way to 82 millionths of a dollar by 2025. Despite Shib having only traded for around a year, there are some long-term price predictions for the coin. Of course, these should be taken with a pinch of salt, given how quickly things change in the cryptocurrency industry, but they are a good indication of how seriously analysts are taking meme coins. Digital Coin Price, for example, expects Shib to continue its upward trajectory after 2025. According to its forecast, the Shiba coin will get to 308,082 10 billionths of a dollar before 2026 is out, and by December 2030, it will have a potential trading price as high as 404,297 10 billionths of a dollar, representing growth of almost 400%. Meanwhile, Coin Price Forecast has put out the most optimistic Shiba price prediction yet. According to the platform, Shib will be up by 630% by the end of 2025 and will continue climbing year on year. For 2030, Shib could be trading at a potential year-end high of 7,704 hundred millionths of a dollar, almost 850% higher than today's price. That's all for today. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. We hope you like this video. Let us know in the comments below if you're a Shiba holder, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Shiba Inu Coin.